From a small wool mill in Thane, India to a global titan in the fashion industry over $7 billion in revenue, this brand has taken over textile industry to new heights. Raymond is a brand that's become a synonymous for quality and style in the Indian textile industry. From their humble beginnings in 1925, Raymond quickly gained a reputation for outstanding fabric quality. This solid foundation set the stage for a transformative leadership era starting in 1980 under Dr. Vijaypal Singhania. It was under his guidance that Raymond began to redefine itself with a vision of innovation and expansion. A pivotal element in the Raymond's growth was a masterful marketing strategy. Though early marketing campaigns used traditional media like print and television, Raymond showcased its dedication to craftsmanship and heritage. The iconic tagline, "The Complete Man," not only captured the essence of sophistication and success, but also resonated with consumers, embedding Raymond in the culture of fabric of India. As Raymond honored its identity as a premium brand, it caters to India as a burgeoning demand for formal wear. They offered an extensive range of suiting fabrics featuring over 20,000 designs and colors, securing a deep connection with consumer through quality and variety. This strategy was backed by a strong distribution network that made Raymond product accessible across countries. By strategically positioning themselves and maintaining high quality standards, Raymond achieved a staggering 60% market share in worsted suiting fabric in India. As of 2023, their revenue stood up to an impressive 5,800 crore, which is approximately $7 billion US, marking a consistent annual growth rate of over 8%. Raymond's ambitions stretch far beyond Indian borders. Their foray into international market led to the presence in over 55 countries, establishing Raymond as a formidable global presence in the textile industry. In response to the shifting marketing landscape, Raymond embraced digital platforms, engaging younger demographics and adapting their storied legacy to the digital age. This digital shift has allowed them to stay relevant and connected with global audience. As we move to 2024, Raymond continued to lead with innovation, focusing on sustainable practices and integrate eco-friendly materials. This shift towards sustainability is a reflection of their commitment to meeting the evolving preferences of today's consumers. From its origin as a simple meal to its status as a global leader, Raymond's journey is a powerful testament to the effectiveness of strategic brand building and quality assurance. Their story is not just inspiring for businesses, but a blueprint for enduring success. Oh, by the way, do you remember the iconic The Raymond Man campaign? Here's a fun fact about the campaign. The original model of the campaign wasn't a professional model, but the employee of the Raymond marketing team. Subscribe and follow for more such interesting and informative videos.